Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle skate.
What the deal is, man? What the deal is, bro? My head hurting like hell. We heading to a truck meet, the EI truck meet, Exclusive Illustrations truck meet in Natchez, Mississippi. It's going down today. It's my first time starting my truck up in, I think, a week and a half. Boy, hey, that bitch barely wanted to start, boy. No cap. That bitch barely wanted to start. But hey, we got it crunk though. We Gucci. You feel me? Yeah, bro, my head is hurting so bad. I'm kind of on time, but I gotta stop and get gas because I'm on 20 miles to E. It's just gonna be me sliding today, bro. Nobody else from Cap Crew. It's gonna be just me, but I'm gonna meet Mike and Nick out there. But yeah, I'm the only one sliding from that woo today, bro. But you know, it's all good though. But I'm about to go ahead and go to the gas station or whatever, and I'm about to see if Root Crew gonna make it in time to go. But if not, we gonna skate bullet on that highway by ourselves. You know how we coming. You feel me? But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the gas and shit.
You recorded that picture? How much wrong with what?
This video is sponsored by Dubby Energy, www.dubby.gg. You got all your packages. It's made with real natural vitamins, so it ain't no jittering, ain't no migraine. It's not bad for your heart. It's a natural supplement. You can go in there and order you a shake bottle. It comes with the little ring in there, and you got www.dubby.gg. Use my promo code WHOROLLIN at checkout to save 10% off your order. It's good. Hey, it's just a photo. So it's a somewhat of a bubblegum aftertaste. So we gonna let Hatch try, Richard Jr. and Nick as well. I mean shit, J3 as well.
I done throw me one back.
Okay. It's fine. Okay. I like it. It's fine.
What to say with it, John?
Like almost like Kool-Aid. Okay. 5 foot. Okay. You got energy. Do you got energy? You got energy. Hey, look. Go order your energy supplements now at w.gg and make sure to use Who Rollin at checkout to save 10%. Let's go. Okay, we done made it to Natchez, right? I was going straight to the meet like how I was gonna do, but when I texted Mr. Guys and say I'm en route, where y'all at? He say, hey, my house, right, Nick? Yeah. He said his house, right? Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking that they, posted up, ready to go, and I mysteriously get a location. Get the location, came to Mr. Guys' house. I'm like, well, all right, bet. We gonna just ride out together. I get over here.
At least we done.
Boy, if you don't get...
Mind you, it is 7:26. The meet started at 7. Nick.
Here's what I found.
How you feel about that?
Well, shit, we got here. We had to wait for the brakes to cool down.
Okay.
So we went in there, motherfucker.
At least we rolling LED.
Yeah.
We rolling LED, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You got 2 brackets on this ring, and they been staying?
Just like that for 2 years. Just that same one. The front's been there for 2 years like this.
So they been staying like this?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
For 2 years.
Okay.
Goddamn this time, motherfucker.
Okay.
In my hand, son.
Okay, so how you feeling, Mr. Guys?
Hot.
How you feeling, Mr. Guys?
Hot.
Hot? It ain't even hot as it used to be, though.
I've been moving tires and shit, son.
Okay. We got Bull. We got Bull 2.0, and we got Gunsmoke. Man, look, can somebody please link Mike to some good fucking headlight?
It don't work for me, son.
Please, bro. Y'all saw this whenever,
Scraping.
what vlog that was? Scraping part 1 and the last vlog.
Yeah.
Y'all seen this. Now look at the fucking light. Oh my God.
That ain't even been, what, 3 months?
Not even 3. Somebody please just link Mike to some good headlights for a round body Tahoe. Please, please, bro. Chunky boys, and he done cracked it already.
Now shout out to Rail, leaning back in that chair. He said, "Oh my God."
Leave it to real. But bullet dirty, we ain't worried about it. We sliding because black look good at night. Hey y'all, we got something special that I wanna y'all to see. I waited good until I got on this vlog to show y'all what I got. Hold up. Come on, Nick. We got Twisted Tea honey. I mean, not honey. We got Twisted Tea whiskey. Twisted Tea whiskey. Yes. But Mr. Guys is rolling LED. Quad out. You hear me? He is on deck with it. You see him, Mr. Guys.
Like, put the goddamn towel on and let's fucking go.
Look, hey, y'all see it, bro.
Oh, we get.
Y'all see it, man. Hit it, Nick. You get look. You bless the bottle, Nick. Come on, bless the bottle.
Smack that
hoe. Come on, smack that hoe, Nick. Come on.
You ain't gonna
smack that bitch. Smack that bitch, Nick. Hit it now. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it, Nick. Hit it, Nick. Hit it, Nick. All right. Hit it, Nick. You gotta try it. How it taste, Nick?
That shit really good. That's what the guy. Damn.
So, it hit you. It hit you. It hit you.
That motherfucker got a kick, but shit, come on.
Okay.
Say,
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Before the meat, yes sir, yes sir, yes.
Damn. That shit tastes just like tea, nigga.
Okay, let me hit it. Let me hit it. This is my first time hitting it too.
Oh, that's good.
It's fire.
It's fire.
I've been seeing it all around and we finally got it. So Twisted Tea, I need my sponsorship and I'm gonna need a case of these and a case of the Rocket Pops by themselves. And I'm gonna also want my own flavor coming soon. The rolling flavor.
The rolling flavor.
Twisted Tea rolling, yeah. But let's get it though.
That shit fire.
On my mama.
That shit burning it.
You know it's whiskey, but you know it's tea. But it's good. That's fine, that's fine. But Twisted Tea come sponsor us. We out here. Get that shot, redneck. Yeah. You want Dylan? Come on, Dylan. Do it, big brother. Yeah. Do it, big brother. Yeah. Down with it, man. Hey, what's that? What's that with it, guys?
You gotta go get the hardest stone wall over there.
Let's go. Hey, got me some light, man. Got me some light, man. The hardest stone wall. It's been hard, man. Yes, y'all see my brother out here working? Y'all see my guy out here working, man. Blick by Mike, nigga. Blick by Mike, yeah. Boy, that bitch, motherfucker, boy. God damn. Big ass bulletproof. Big ass bulletproof.
Yeah, I'm 6'3".
Boy, that.
Jeez.
God damn, Nick. That bulletproof sick bigger than you, don't it?
God damn.
That bitch dumb though. No cap. Psycho bitches only. Yeah. And he bag. And he on bags.
Out here, we on Tennessee. Just for some niggas out here serving 10 G and make a nigga ready for the IBE.
Do what you want here, that mini truck. Blick by Mike. What's up, baby? You all right?
Out here.
You want another shot or you good?
I'm good. I'm sweating.
You good? Oh, all right. Oh, all right. No fucking wait. So this right here is
Spray paint. Spray paint.
out of a can.
Out of Walmart.
That's cap.
Walmart spray paint.
No.
Yeah.
No. Hold on. Wait. Y'all get a good view. No. Hell no. The white spray paint too?
Yeah, everything.
No.
Everything's rattle can.
Fuck no.
Rattle can and wet sanded.
Hell no. Yeah, man. Let them know, man.
Yeah.
Dumb
That's with
shit.
your boy from Gina, man.
Yeah.
Turn up, man.
Yeah, dumb shit. Little brother, what it do, man? The fuck you doing on my end, nigga? Shit. Out here. Tell Larry, if he don't start sliding that truck, he ain't sliding. Man, let him know.
You gotta start sliding that bitch, man.
Yeah. Then we gotta tell him to drop that wrist on too.
I'm about to go high my shit.
There you go. Slide good. What you say again?
He on top.
He out on top, man. Yeah. He out the best out, huh? He out the best news. How you feeling?
Amazing.
So you photographer now?
Yes.
Where the pictures at?
On my phone.
Let me see the picture. Come on.
As hell.
Get some shit. What's up,
Bet
baby?
you is shit.
Man? What's up, bro? I ain't saw you since Don's Seafood.
I don't think so. I think it was scraping.
No, it was Don's, dude.
I don't know, but Phil, look. Do a burnout!
Yes, sir. You do a fucking burnout. Jacob, let him know.
Hey,
Hold up. Let him know, bro.
HGM on top.
Man, that's how we coming, man. HGM on top, man. Look, bro, I will have his social media right here. His personal social media and his business page for all his lighting and everything. Look at that. Professional, man. But, hey, bro.
I'm fucking lost. I'm not the type you run across stereo. I'm fucking lost.
Oh, right here.
Run across stereo.
I don't know what I'm doing, okay?
Be cute.